Every locality has been affected by this problem.
See, as far as the Antf is concerned, we are into law enforcement part. However, there are other parts also, like harm reduction, demand reduction, for which social welfare department, dream mission, government is taking enough initiatives. And also there is a process of establishing rehabilitation centers and de-addiction centers in all districts as well. So as far as seriousness is concerned, we have taken now enough efforts to reduce the supply of drugs from the side of police, and recent catches are also proof of it, that the government is taking enough efforts, especially from the Antf side, to reduce the supply of drugs. We have also arrested as many as 1,150 people in the last few years alone, and we have registered around more than 700 cases of drugs. And presently, the situation, we are in touch with all the localities of Shillong. They are also very cooperating with us. All the Bashnongs, Bashnongs are very cooperating to us. They are giving us information, and they are also telling us that these are the areas where it's prone to drugs, where we conduct random raids and patrols in the night time. At the same time, whenever they give information about some person suspect to have drugs, so we take up with the locality also. We also ensure that they don't give houses on rent, as we have already publicized in the media, that all the locality should avoid giving these suspected drug peddlers on rent, because they are the ones who will spoil the neighborhood. And if any more information also, we are willing to act on it, provided you give us the information. And all the information given by the informants will be kept confidential. Conviction rate is good for the cases already where the judgment has been delivered. Okay, it's more than 80% of which judgment has been delivered. However, we are still having a pending trial of almost like 70% of the cases are pending trial now, which are already going on, and we are definitely in the talks with the law department also to ensure that the trial gets completed very fast, so justice could be delivered effectively and faster.
How does the anti-trafficking mission?
See, definitely, as far as Antf, state Antf is concerned, we are the process of very clear that only we are not the only stakeholders. So that is why we have changed the approach, where we are involving all the stakeholders, like health department, then the dream mission. Definitely, they are guiding us in the front of harm reduction and demand reduction, and we are also taking our community into confidence. So when this approach goes, when we work as a team together, then definitely this problem can be solved as sooner as possible in the coming days.
What are facing the more effective action?
See, definitely challenges are there, because we are state India was formed last year, so we are building as an organization, and soon we expect that since our technology part also we are integrating like drones, then as far as sniffer dogs also. So sooner our effectiveness will be more better than before, and we are going in the right track and more progressive.
What about the manpower in terms of?
We have a sufficient manpower in the state ATF. However, district ATFs are also there to support us and help us. So in case of any inputs from faraway districts, then the district ATF acts and they do the needful. So as a team, we have having a very sufficient strength, including that of the district ATF.
Hotspots.
See, there are multiple areas, hotspots, like different localities are there. So for example, in the area of PB, Udu, Ajmera, we cannot comment on one. In every area, important localities where the markets are there, that are all used as places for supply of drugs. So we had got quite a number of drug suppliers from those areas. But we are on a watch, and recently we are in the process of installing CCTV cameras also by the government. So we are also proposing our point of view where these areas need to be given importance for installation of CCTV as far as drugs point of view is concerned. Highest is heroin. Yes.
What will be the amount?
Exact we cannot say, but around 250 crores out of the 400 crores odd we have seized. So heroin is the highest which we have.
So since to deter repeat traffickers?
Yes. So far we have already detained 5 of them, and now we are the proposal of detaining a few more. We are in the process of preparing papers. So soon that also we are expecting to do it, and it definitely helps, because as far as PIT and PS, it has a very deterrent effect on these drug peddlers who are repeated habitual offenders, so that they don't actually go into this business again, harming the society.